Welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To my loyal subscribers and viewers at the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizens. And that's human rights. We at the Jamaica's Young Police channel do not care or respect the rights of the clappies and knackies in Jamaica. The ones who do not subscribe to respecting the rights of others. That means you don't violate people's rights, you don't assault people, you don't with a knackies and clappies behavior and think that everything is hunky-dory. No, we don't believe in that. The ones who do not subscribe to such behavior, yes, for you do not subscribe to the knackies and clappies, yes, we respect your rights and them, you understand? That's how it's supposed to be. But the ones who do not. So if you take another person 3 points, in the normal laws of nature and justice, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel do believe in preemptive strikes because it saves lives, as it will prevent the knackies and clappies from taking another person 3 points, and that's Evil Stevens. So today we're going to embark on a journey where you're going to realize who are responsible for the knackies and clappies to be getting 3 years and probation for taking another person's 3 points in Jamaica. You're hearing correctly. So we have 2 political leaders in Jamaica. One is 8 years for knackies and clappies with parole so that they can return to the streets and take another person or person's 3 points. Because the knackies and clappies, they do not like in time people inform on them, because informer must dead. But we don't believe that, informers are good citizens. Yes, man, informers are good citizens because they keep the peace. And there are a lot of good informers in Jamaica. And I am here in the diaspora. And I'm telling you, man, boy, we have so many informers in Jamaica, and I applaud you guys. You understand? Because you know that whatever you share with yours truly, yes, you know that it stays with me. You understand? Because when I was a detective, not one of my informants in the garrison have ever get killed or their names leak back to any corner boy or dirty boy. None, never. You understand? Even people who informants, police officer that they would see me talking with, they would warn me of that police officer, and that police officer won't even know that's my informant, because I keep that close to my chest. And I applaud all of you guys who in the diaspora and who are to leave there and who are still there and want a better Jamaica and don't care about no political party, no PMP LGBTQ+, or no GLP LGBTQ+. And tired of the knackies and clappies, and I applaud you guys because that's what we want. We are on Team Jamaica, and I applaud all of you, man, who are for our Team Jamaica. Yes, man, and I lift my hat to you guys. So as we continue, we are going to let you to listen. You watch, you listen, and you decide for yourself which of your political leaders want a better Jamaica for the future generation, the citizens who live and work there and raising their children, and for the younger generation. And who's looking out for our top shotters like Donald Zeke's fibs. You're going to hear who's looking out for Zeke's, You understand? The clappies and knackies and the likes. One of our political leaders is comfortable with giving top shotters 8 years. 8 years in prisons for taking another Jamaican 3 points with parole, to come back and take more 3 points, to cause sadness and the families, emptiness, hurt, hunger, and another send-off at Dovecat. The other leader wants 45 years in prison. Yes, man. You're not dreaming. Let me repeat it, man. The other leader wants 45 years in prison for the knackies and clappies. You are hearing correct, man, for taking another Jamaican 3 points before parole can be considered. Because the knackies and clappies' chance of returning to create more havoc is slim to none. These guys will rot in prison, and we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, yes man, we applaud the leader who says 45 years in prison before you can think of parole. 45 years in prison. So hey, anytime a knockis and clappis, you know, pick up a gun, you know, and say, oh boy, I got dirt the boy there, you know. Or dirt that woman there, dirt that girl there, dirt that pitney there. You must be thinking, you know, alright. Boy, I wonder if I can manage 45 years of prison. 45 years. Yeah, because the days where you talk about informer for dead, no, we ain't that. No, informer not getting a dirt around here. We are use technology and mashing up. Yes. So I want you to listen for yourself, you know. One of the leader of Jamaica, one of the political party, who is saying 8 years for the knockis and clappis with parole. 8 years, you know. So I want you to listen for yourself. Alright? You listen, you watch, you listen, you decide.
Personally would not object to the idea of raising the minimum for murder and also the period for parole, because we need to make a statement to the society that if you commit murder, you're facing the most stiff possible penalty. It removes from the adjudicator of the case the ability to do justice in the particular case before him or her in the court. In many cases, that may lead to a just result, but there will be cases where it does not. It must be very disheartening for a judge to be faced with a situation where, in their opinion, the appropriate sentence in accordance with the sentencing guidelines is 8 years or 12 years and is told it has to be 45 years. That must be problematic.
Yes, to my loyal subscribers and viewers, you have listened to Mark Golden, the leader of the PMP LGBTQ plus party. Just remember, you know, this channel, you know, we are on Team Jamaica. Let me repeat it. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we are on Team Jamaica. Not Team PMP LGBTQ plus party, our Team JLP LGBTQ plus government. Whoever is willing to make our people safe, that's what's matter. We want Jamaica. I want you, the Jamaican people, to experience what I have experienced in the 1980s. Living in Jamaica and growing up as a young man, as a teenager. There was no artificial borderline. None. All the artificial borderline were erased after Siaga became Prime Minister of Jamaica. Whether or not you want to like him or like him not. He erased all of that, the borderline. And he hung Shatis and Nakis and Clappis. Yeah. So I want you to listen now to St. Andrew Holness. Then, after you listen to St. My apologies, because people said that I've been, they didn't like that. Then to the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, and listen to what he's saying. Not my word, you know, because I don't work for any guy in Jamaica, and I want you to listen to the Prime Minister for yourself. You watch, you listen, and you decide. And you, from today, you can determine what direction, what do you want for Jamaica.
Of our legal and penalty systems. So we're changing our laws to have stronger penalties, to reflect the priority that all Jamaicans place on public order and public safety and security. But it will look something like this. For capital murder, the penalty is death. If not applied, then life without parole. For non-capital murder, the penalty will now be, our proposal, the penalty would now be 45 years to life, or rather, life imprisonment, and you must serve 45 years before consideration of parole. there is no question that somewhere over these many years, murderers have gotten it into their minds that the penalty for murder is not the death penalty. They've gotten it into their minds that the penalty for murder is not life imprisonment. And that somehow, with a good lawyer, they will be back out on the street to enjoy their life. Our penalty remains. If you take a life and you're convicted of such, your useful life should be taken.
Yes, my loyal subscribers and viewers. So you have heard it for yourself. Mark Golden of the PMP LGBTQ plus party, he wants 8 years and probation for Nakis and Clappis. After 8 years, they get parole to come back, come out of workhouse. Because when them go prison, them not working and them go there half party. Yeah, and that was done by, the previous government. Yes, and we want these guys to, when they go to prison, them get them jumpsuits. So them are wear things where other man wear. You understand? Yeah. Because them love men, so make them wear back, recycle back man clothes. So you heard it for yourself, One want 8 years with parole, one want the death penalty, and one want 45 years before you can even think of parole. You have to do the minimum 45 years. So a guy with death, him rot in a prison. So which one of the Jamaica you want? You want the one where people can kill dirt your family member, and after 8 years them come back and can dirt you and dirt others in your family, or you want the one that a guy get 45 years, and when him get the 45 years, him going to work for the 45 years, and when him come out of workhouse, yes, when you convert all him working, see 45 years, him get all 200 US when they convert the Jamaican money, because him going to work, because we're going to get the prison now to outsource to the white man, because the white man won't forget people for work, You understand? So let me show you that Mark Golden. Mark, the golden one, yeah, because that we have to start calling him, because him born with gold spoon in his mouth. Mark, the golden one, Golden, is talking to the low IQ and poor Jamaicans for fools. He's taking you for fools. Because he is talking out of both sides of his mouth. Means to change his advice or opinion depending on which audience he's talking to or what the situation he finds himself in. For instance, when Mark Golden is in the public domain and in the company of people who do not like Nakis and Clappis like Zeeks, he may state that he, Mark Golden, the golden one, does not like Clappis and Nakis like Zeeks. Later, when he finds himself among the Klansman gangs members and members from Zeeks community of Matches Lane, when I say Matches Lane, we are talking like real Jamaican Matches Lane. You understand? Yes. Mark the golden one, who's the leader of the opposition. You understand? This is what Mark Golden one, he will say. You understand? And he will tell you that he will tell the Nakis and Clappis who like Zeeks that he may say that Nakis and Clappis and Zeeks is a good Nakis and Clappis for the PMP LGBTQ plus party. Golden Mark's opinion is not honest. Let me repeat that. Golden Mark's opinion is not honest. It is a statement he made to ingratiate himself with the group, meaning bring himself into favor with someone by flattering and trying to please them. So him have no core belief. Anything work today, and if it not work tomorrow, him go with something will work tomorrow. So him not stand for something. So him cannot be a good leader. That's a weak leader. You understand? So he's helping destroying the people's mind. St. Andrew Holness is changing the tide, so he want Jamaica to go back to the days where a guy respect another person. Well, that's what we want in Jamaica. So, you understand? So, Mark Golding, meaning he bring himself into favor with someone who's slaughtering. Mark Golding, talking from both sides of his mouth, are looked down upon by others who are ethical, decent, honest, truthful, and moral. Yes, we look at Mark Golding as a hypocritical, undependable, and insincere to those who have decency, ethics, truthfulness, honesty, and patriotism. The origin of the idiom talk from both sides of the mouth is unknown. Some trace it to the passage in the Bible. So we are give you all even Bible, you know, because we know that Jamaican people are religious people. They believe, they love God and they love their church. We have the more churches per square mile. Remember, you know, Proverbs 4, verse 24. But this passage does not use the term both sides of one's mouth in any form. It talks about lying. And the Bible said that, you know, Mark Golding is lying. A more likely inspiration for the idiom is the ancient idea that the right side of anything is the positive or godly side, and the left side of anything is a negative or evil side. Which side you want to put Mark Golding? Which side you want to put Prime Minister Andrew Holness? We are over here on Team Jamaica. So all of you want to talk that the Jamaica Young Police channel is a labor right channel. Yeah, you can't continue to talk because I choose to talk over here. We're not spreading no propaganda or lies and no guy. What we are on Team Jamaica. And if, hey, look, you say if you do not like what you're hearing, you can either unsubscribe or don't subscribe. We don't want nobody who's here for 8 years, for the clappies and knackies. We want the 45-year people them. So that's how we are support. A man for respect the next person's 3 points. Why you want to take one of my family 3 points and an 8 year come out? Why in a 8 year then why maybe my family son have to deal with it to get justice. We want to stay there for 45 years and have all end up in a workhouse and get all strokes and dead. Yeah, we don't want you to come out. No knockies and clappies never come out. And that's where I lobby for. I want all of you out there who are using propagandas and lies that we at the Jamaica Young Police channel is a JLP LGBTQ plus party arm. It's nothing but smokes in mirrors. The obscuring or embellishing of the truth of a situation with misleading or irrelevant information. I want to stop the lies out there, man, but we. At this channel, anyone we have made any statement that are false will be allowed to correct the same with truth and not alternative facts. So if we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, Mark Golding, the golden one, or any other person that we have stated anything that is untruth about you, yeah man, say, hey look, we have a number, you know, we have a number you can call. That's a direct number. That's not a make-up number. Because we don't live in a fear, you know. You understand? Fear is imaginary to we. How many times a guy can kill? How many times you can kill till Olgively? One time. How many times you can kill the chairman for the JUTC? One time. And you get away with it. Hey look, accountability. We want a change in Jamaica. And you understand? Yeah, some people are, boy Chris, you don't even live at Jamaica. Or you fight. I mean, me still have family down at Jamaica. Why? Because me alright and yeah, Chris I work 6 figure money and all them things there, Chris. Oh look man, Chris love Jamaica, cause Jamaica nice, you know. Believe you me, Jamaica one nice place. Jamaica nice than anywhere else in the world. But what we want are the criminal minded people. We want to get them out. So we don't want no 8 years, you know, convicted, shot, kicks and clappies. We want 45 years. If this is the first time to the channel, yeah man, consider subscribing. And when you click the subscription button, click all, so that when we release a video at the Jamaica Young Police channel, you'll be the first one to receive it. like the video. Don't watch a video and not like it, man. You can't have a video with a 8,000 view and only 30 likes. Just like the video. If you like the content, like it, share it, and comment below. And you know what? For all of the PMP LGBTQ plus trolls and activists on here, I am not going to answer you guys today. So if you want me to answer you have to join the channel. Yeah, you pay for it. You join it. I'll answer everybody else. But you see all you PMP LGBTQ plus people, what up, but why? You're labor, right? No, I'm not going to answer you. I'm tired of answering you guys. You want me to answer you? You pay for it. Yes, you pay for it. You only love socialism too much. I'll answer the other people who are ethical, honest, truthful, and decent. So all my PMP LGBTQ plus trolls, yeah man, you pay and join the channel and you can come over there and say anything and I'll respond to you. Have yourself a nice day. Jamaica Young Police channel out. Team Jamaica all the way. Team Jamaica, that's where I deal with. Blessed.